the next thing we're going to do is secure your account to make sure you don't get hacked. And if you ever have any trouble with your account, that you have another way to get back in. This may not sound important, but this is an issue that happens a lot. So I want you to go into your settings, and then you're going to go down to Security Center and the two-factor authentication. You want to make sure that it's on for everyone. So this just means that it's an extra step of security for when somebody logs on. They might be from a new device, new browser, new team member, that they have to verify that it's them through another means, through text or through confirming within the Facebook app itself. It will stop your account or highly prevent it from ever getting hacked. Some people's accounts, and I'm not trying to scare anybody, I just have seen stories where somebody's ad account got hacked and they spent a lot of money on the credit card, send them to buy their product or service. So this is the first thing you want to do, is make sure that you turn it on. And the next you want to do is add another admin. Now, you may not have anybody else who you want in the business, but I would suggest adding anybody who's even a family member, somebody who can help you get back into your account if you can't get back in. So sometimes people's ad accounts get shut down, and it's super important that you're actually able to get it back, because if you're the only admin and you can't access your account, you can't talk to Facebook, it's going to be super, super difficult. So that's what we're going to do now. You're going to just hit the admin and just pop on the email address of somebody that is close to you. Make sure they have admin access and just click next. And you want to click that they have access to that, added to that page, so that they're here. And then you can have a look here that they need to have admin access, because this is the important one. So you're actually able to get them to let you back in if ever needed. So it's somebody who you really trust, or it's just somebody who you know you can rely on. If your page ever gets hacked, can let you back into your own account. So you can get somebody to sign any NDAs or any kind of agreement if you're a bit unsure about going forward with that. So you can just go there, click invite. They will get a message sent to the email address that we added on, and it's going to say, hey, you've been invited to be admin of this person. So they just need to click the link and accept the invitation, and there you go. So in that one there, we've got the account secured, and you have a backup just in case. So the same steps, I'm going to show you just something similar, that if you need to add a person to your business account, so somebody who might be an employee or somebody who's actually going to be running your Facebook ads, this is how you will need to add an account. So we're going to have a look at that now.